Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the command prompt window you want to resize right now. Hold the Control key and roll the mouse wheel up or down slowly to adjust text size. Each wheel notch increases or decreases the visible font in small steps for precise control. This technique changes only the current window view and does not alter saved profile settings. Release Control when you reach a comfortable text size and continue working immediately with clearer, larger, or smaller text. Right-click the command prompt title bar and select Properties from the menu that appears. Click the Font tab, choose a font face, and pick a specific font size, such as 16 or 24, to suit your eyesight. Click OK to apply changes. Some systems require you to open a new window to see the saved size. This method permanently updates the shortcut or console host settings, so future command prompt sessions load with the preferred, larger or smaller font. Install and open Windows Terminal to manage multiple shells with modern features. Open the profile you use for command prompt and press Ctrl and plus to zoom in, or press Ctrl and minus to zoom out quickly. Alternatively, open Settings, select the profile, and set a specific font size under Appearance for a permanent preference. Windows Terminal preserves profile settings across sessions and lets you combine keyboard zoom with saved font size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.